Hello and good evening, friends. Welcome back to Shakuntlam classes exclusively for B.Ed studies. And today I will be discussing questions from paper 1, that is Principles and Methods of Teaching. And this is the most requested video as many of you have asked to make a long duration video. To all of them, I want to say that due to shortage of time, I am unable to do so, but definitely I will try to make long duration video. So starting with question number 1, which is the essential principle of programmed instruction? Option A, theory of external response. B, theory of remedial teaching. Option C, theory of spontaneity. And option D, theory of short position. So the correct answer is option number B, theory of remedial teaching. Coming on to question number 2, the last response has to be done first in option A, linear program, option B, in the branching process, option C, mathematics, and option D, all of these. So the last response has to be done first in option number C, mathematics. Coming on to question number 3, what is useful for transfer of skills? Option A, branching process, option B, linear program, option C, descending sequence, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number C, descending sequence is useful for transfer of skills. Coming on to question number 4, the principle of self-pacedness is followed in which kind of learning? Option A, linear program, option B, in the branching process, option C, in the descending order, and option D, all of these. So the correct answer will be all of these. Coming on to question number 5, the credit for developing mathematics programming is option A, B.S. Skinner, option B, Crowder, option C, Thomas Gilbert, and option D, none of these. So the mathematics programming was developed by option number C, Thomas Gilbert. Coming on to question number 6, the word mathematics is derived from the Greek word mathen, which means options are option A, reading, option B, to teach, option C, to write, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number C, to write. Question number 6 is, the word mathematics is derived from the Greek word mathen, which means option A, reading, option B, to teach, option C, to write, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number C, to write. The word mathematics is derived from the Greek word mathen, which means to write. Coming on to question number 7, the method of writing objectives in practical form is propounded by option A, B.S. Bloom, option B, Megger, option C, Miller, and option D, Gilbert. So the correct answer for this question will be Megger. Coming to the next question, the form of pages in branched instruction is option A, error page, option B, home page, option C, A and B both, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option C, A and B both. So the pages in branched instruction is that of error page and home page. Coming on to the next question, www means option A, World Web's Wide, option B, World Wide Web, option C, World Wide Window, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number B, World Wide Web. Coming on to the next question, what is meant by servers in internet? Option A, customer, option B, receiving information, option C, programs that provide resources, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number C, programs that provide resources is meant by the term servers in internet? Coming on to the question 11. Internet means option A worldwide computer network, option B wide computer network, option C computer network, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be internet means option A worldwide computer network. Coming on to question 12. The essential tools of internet are option A telephone connection modem software. Coming on to the next option, that is B account obtained from the company providing telephone software internet connection. Option C telephone connection modem computer internet connection software. Option D none of the above. So the correct answer will be option number C telephone connection modem internet connection and software are the essential tools of internet. Coming on to the next question, that is question number 13. The inventor of micro-learning is a Stanford University professor. Option A D. Allen, option B M.B. Butch, option C Davis, and option D none of the above. So the correct answer will be option A D. Allen is the inventor of micro-learning and was a professor from Stanford University. Coming on to the next question 14. Micro learning divides all learning into small action. This is the definition given by option A Allen and Eve, option B M.B. Butch, option C D. Allen, and option D none of these. So the same person who was the originator of micro teaching, that is option number C D. Allen, definition is this, which says that micro learning divides all learning into small action. So option C is your correct answer. Coming on to question 15. Micro teaching is a option A group teaching, option B actual learning, option C grade teaching, and option D imaginary teaching. So the correct answer will be micro teaching is option number B. It is the actual teaching or learning. Coming on to the next question. Soft craft approach is related to option A Doordarshan, option B tape recorder, option C computer, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be option D none of these. Soft craft approach is an application of psychological principle. Coming on to the next question 17. What are the teaching formulas? Option A known to unknown, option B easy to difficult, option C whole to part, and option D all of these. So option number D all of these are the teaching formulas. Coming on to question number 18. The purpose of micro teaching is to change the behavior of option A trainee teachers, option B students, option C in-service teachers, and option D inspectors of trainee teachers. So the correct answer will be option A trainee teacher. The purpose of micro teaching is to change the behavior of trainee teachers. Coming on to question number 19. Indian educationalist who has done important work on micro teaching is option A S.P. Ruhel, option B B.K. Pasi, option C N.K. Jhagaria, and option D L.C. Singh. So the correct answer will be option number B. B.K. Pasi is an Indian educationalist who has done remarkable work in the field of micro teaching. Coming on to the next question, question number 20. In micro teaching, how many students are there in a class? Option A 5 to 10, option B 5 to 20, option C 10 to 15, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be option A, 5 to 10 students are there in the micro teaching class. Coming on to the next question, question number 21, which says the apex institution of educational technology at central level is of option A, MCERT, option B, DIET, option C, CIET, and option D, NCET. So, the apex institution of educational technology at central level is of option number C, CIET, which stands for Central Institute of Educational Technology, which was established at 1984. Coming on to the next question, question number 22, the idea of multi-sense instruction was propounded by option A, Edgar Dale, option B, Davis, option C, Flander, and option D, B.F. Skinner. So the correct answer is option number A, Edgar Dale. Coming on to question number 23, the Higher Education Doordarshan Project program was started in the year option A 1980, option B 1984, option C 1975, and option D in 1986. So the correct answer is option number B, 1984 was the year when the Higher Education Doordarshan Project program was started. Coming on to question number 24, in how many states was the satellite instructional television experiment initially done? Options are option A 5, option B 4, option C 6, and option D 7. So the correct answer is option number C 6. There were total 6 states where the satellite instructional television experiment initially done. Coming on to question number 25, the set objectives of satellite television experiment include option A, use for children and adults, option B, use of Doordarshan for economic, social, national development, option C, use of Doordarshan as an instructional system for rural areas, and option number D, all of the above. So the correct answer will be option number D, all of the above. Coming on to question number 26, for pronunciation correctness in language teaching, what is used? Option A, gramophone, option B, dictaphone, option C, linguaphone, and option D, OHP. So the correct answer will be option number C, linguaphone is a device used for pronunciation correctness in language teaching. Coming on to question number 27, a group of models is called as option A, diorama, option B, longitudinal model, option C, miniature model, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is a group of models is called as option number A, diorama. Coming on to question number 28, the graphical representation of numbers is called option A, graph, option B, diagram, option C, chart, and option D, all of these. So the correct answer will be option number A, graph is the graphical representation of numbers. Coming on to question number 29, to show the internal structure of an object is which kind of model is used? Option A, cutaway model, option B, miniature model, option C, algebraic model, and option D, working model. So the correct answer will be to show the internal structure of an object, cutaway model is used. Coming on to question number 30, which of the following is a two-dimensional learning material? Option A, chart, option B, model, option C, sample, and option D, all of these. So the correct answer will be two-dimensional learning material is option A, chart. Coming on to question number 31, What gives a certain message? Options are option A picture, option B poster, option C graph, and option D diorama. So the correct answer will be option number B, poster gives a certain message. Coming on to question 32, the most important role in learning is of option A to see, option B to hear, option C to sniff, and option D to touch. So the correct answer is option number A to see. The most important role in learning is of to see. Coming on to question number 33, the teaching model is option A teaching arrays, option B teaching tips, option C teaching methods, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option number A teaching arrays is a teaching model. Coming on to question number 34, Bruce Joyce has divided modern teaching paradigms into option A 4, option B 3, option C 5, and option D 6. So the correct answer is option number A 4. Bruce Joyce has divided modern teachings into 4 groups. Coming on to question number 35, the teaching model assumes that teaching is an option A art, option B science, option C both art and science, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be option number B science. Here there can be a contradiction that option number C can be the answer. If such a situation occurs, the examiner will give number on both the options you choose. Okay. Coming on to the next question, question number 36. Which part of the teaching model describes the role of a teacher? Option A theory of reaction, option B structure, option C auxiliary system, and option D social system. So option number D will be your correct answer. Social system describes the role of a teacher. Coming on to question number 37, the term of the teaching models are explained in option A structure, option B principle of reaction, option C in the auxiliary system, and option D all of these. So the term of the teaching models are explained in option A in structure. Coming on to question number 38, to which class does the suffix estimation model belong? So the options are option A personal sources, option B information processing source, option C behavioral modification model, and option D social difference process source. So the correct answer will be option number B information processing source. Coming on to the next question, in which part of the teaching model the needs are described in addition to the general needs of teaching? So the options are option A reaction theory, option B structure, option C auxiliary system, and option D social system. So the correct answer will be option number C auxiliary system. Coming on to the next question, the exponent of the advanced administrator model is option A Robert Glaser, option B Richard Suchman, option C David Ausubel, and option D Flander. So the correct answer is option number C David Ausubel is the exponent of the advanced administrator model. With this we have completed 40 questions. Coming on to question number 41, teaching model is considered to be the framework of instruction. Under this, special mention is made so that students can interact in such a way that specific changes in their behavior can occur. This teaching model definition was given by option A Keith, option B David Ausubel, option C Susan Markel, and option D Bruce Joyce. So the correct answer will be option number D Bruce Joyce. Coming on to question number 42. To influence the cognitive structure of student, what is used? Option A, arrival pattern. Option B, tree training model. Option C, credit genesis model. And option number D, advanced administrator model. So the correct answer will be option number D, advanced administrator model. Question number 43 is, which of the following is a non-projected instrument? Option A, epidioscope. Option B, OHP. Option C, film strip. And option D, blackboard. So the correct answer is blackboard is a non-projected instrument. Coming on to question number 44. CPU in computer means option A, central primary unit. Option B, center processing unit. Option C, central processing unit. And option D, control processing unit. So the correct answer will be option number C, central processing unit is CPU. Coming on to question number 45. The origin of the internet is from option A, ARPANET. Option B, NetPar. Option C, ARPANET. And option D, ByDot. So the correct answer will be option number C, that is ARPANET. So internet originates from ARPANET. Coming on to the next question, question number 46. What is the medium of communication in which both audio and visuals are included? Option A, fax. Option B, email. Option C, teleconferencing. And option D, any of these. So the medium in which both audio and visuals are included is option number C, teleconferencing. Coming on to question number 47. Internet mail address consists of two parts separated by @ symbol. What is the part after @ called? Option A, mailbox. Option B, box only. Option C, domain. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option A, mailbox. Coming on to question number 48. Who developed the basic teaching model? Option A, Robert Mager. Option B, Morrison. Option C, Robert Glaser. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number C, Robert Glaser developed the basic teaching model. Coming on to question number 49. The originator of memory level teaching is considered to be option A, Morrison. Option B, Hunt. Option C, Herbert. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer is Herbert is the originator of memory level teaching. Coming on to the next question. The originator of the teaching level of understanding is considered to be option A, Hunt. Option B, Morrison. Option C, Herbert. And option D, Skinner. Dear students, please read the question very carefully when it is said understanding level and when it is asked memory and when it is asked that of perception. Here the question has asked who is the originator of the understanding level of teaching. So the answer will be option number B, Morrison. Coming on to the next question. The promoter of thought level teaching are called option A, Herbert. Option B, Morrison. Option C, Hunt. And option D, Skinner. So the answer will be option number C, Hunt is the originator of thought level teaching. So that's all for today. I hope my videos are helpful for you, and if my videos are helpful for you, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel Shakuntalam Classes. Take care and all the best.